what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Another day, another video. My name is Matulika. I make new videos every week, and yeah, if you like my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. So today's video is a Zivame haul video. Now Zivame में शुरू होने वाला है 8th of June से SOS sale, so you can get up to 60% off on your favorite items and you get free shipping as well as you get 15 days ka easy return or exchange policy along with that as well. Also you get a cash on delivery option. So how cool is that? मतलब cash on delivery में भी ले सकते हो. Just try it out. If you don't like it, you can just return it. आपको वो window भी देता है Zivame. And again, if you want an extra discount, then you can avail it using my coupon code that is mentioned right over here and also in the description box below. So you can check out that as well. Plus जितने भी products I'm going to show you in this haul, सबका link will be in the description box below as always, so you can check it out over there as well. Now without wasting any time, let's get started. So I have this box right over here जिसमें सब कुछ है जो भी मैंने मंगाया है. So I'm just going to keep it here and show you guys एक एक करके कि मैंने क्या मंगाया है. And the first thing that I got is this night suit. I am obsessed with this. मुझे इतना कंफर्टेबल नाइट सूट ना मैंने आई थिंक पहली बार लिया. इट्स अ कॉटन नाइट सूट एंड ये बहुत ही प्यारा है. इसका कलर, इसका पैटर्न है, फ्लावर्स बने हैं इसमें. इट लुक्स रियली नाइस. प्लस इट्स अ फुल लेंथ नाइट सूट, तो नीचे पूरी पजामाज है. सो एनीवन हु डजंट लाइक टू वेयर शॉर्ट्स कैन एक्चुअली बाय दिस एंड इट इज सुपर कंफर्टेबल. इवन गर्मी में मेरे यहाँ तो अभी पंखा और एसी भी नहीं चल रहा है बिकॉज आई एम शूटिंग द वीडियो. सो आई एम स्वेटिंग अ लॉट, लेकिन दिस इज स्टिल super comfortable. मुझे बिल्कुल भी गर्मी नहीं लग रही है इसको पहन के. It's that comfortable because I think the material is also cotton. This is the first thing that I got, and if you want more such night suits, बहुत सारे options available है Zivame पे. You can get unlimited styles for this limited period offer. So 8 June. So इसका MRP was 1895 but I got it for 1327 and आज की सेल स्टार्ट होने के बाद तो you can get it at a more affordable price. Look who's here. Hi. Now sale is an opportunity जहाँ से you can get premium lingerie for yourself at a discounted price because generally अगर आप lingerie लेते हो तो थोड़ा सा expensive पड़ जाता है if you buy high quality ones. तो इसीलिए sales का ज़रूर ध्यान दिया करो Zivame पे because you can get a lot of good offers. So that's what I did as well. Lingerie तो लेना ही था मुझे एक. So I bought a bra. This is how it looks. I absolutely love it. Hot pink color की bra है ये and it fits me like a glove. It fits me so perfectly. I really like it and it is a wired bra तो नीचे से और support भी मिलता है. I really like the quality of it as well. It feels very soft on your skin as well. And इसी के साथ match करने के लिए I also got सेम पेयर ऑफ पैंटीज. तो दोनों एकदम ही सेम है, पैटर्न एकदम सेम है. सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू मेक अ सेट, तो इसीलिए मैंने ये दोनों साथ में मंगा लिए एंड दे लुक really nice together. I'm going to get some more of these sets as well from Zivame because they are super comfortable. So again SOS sale में भी if you want to get that extra discount तो मेरा coupon code use कर लेना. And these are the things that you should really invest in. I think a good pair of bra makes elevates all of your look together because वो दिखते हैं अगर lines तो that doesn't look good at all. So you need a perfectly fitted bra. Also I'll just tell you about the sizes as well. तो ये जो night suit मैंने लिया था इसमें I bought a size medium and it fits me again बहुत ही perfectly. And this one is a size 34C and this one is medium again. I think bra लेने से पहले there is also a size calculator on the app itself. So if you are confused about your size, you can just calculate it and then place orders. Alright, so another thing that I wanted to invest in was a good pair of activewear set. So इसीलिए I got a sports bra as well as नीचे की pants. मुझे I don't know why I got everything थोड़ा सा pinkish tone में except this night suit. सब कुछ में थोड़ा पिंक है ही. So the sports bra that I got is this one. This is how it looks. Again pretty comfortable. Material बहुत ज़्यादा soft है इनका, so they are super comfortable. अभी तक मैंने पहना नहीं है but I'll show you right over here और here पहन के भी. So this is by a brand called Zelocity and it will fit me perfectly and it looks really nice. Plus these are padded and the pads can be removed as well. I think this is the most comfortable pair of sports bra that I'm holding in my hand. इसका size again I ordered a medium and साथ ही में I also added pants along with it to go with it. So I think जब मॉडल ने जो पहना था ना साइट पे I just went ahead and bought both the things. So even lingerie में भी मैंने यही किया है and activewear में भी मैंने यही किया है because I really like them paired together. So coming to the pants, again pink. Again this is from the same brand and this is how it looks. मुझे ना actually वो tight fitted workout pants ना बहुत ज़्यादा ही uncomfortable लगती है. I don't know why. तो इसीलिए मैंने थोड़े से loose jogger pants मंगाए. It is a polyester cotton material. Plus इसमें पीछे की side में text भी लिखा हुआ है, that is high vibes. I don't know how people are going to react to it. So these two together are again going to look really nice. Also you won't believe the price for it. I just paid 897 rupees for this and आज की SOS sale से you can get it at a more discounted price. Also pant का size भी medium है, so both of them are a size medium. Coming to the next thing that I got, I actually made a saree haul कुछ time back and people were asking me what to wear underneath it because cotton वाले petticoats होते हैं ना, उससे साड़ी की fitting ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं आती है. So as an option for that, I brought this saree shaper again. This is how it looks. The last one जो मैंने आपको दिखाया था ना, that was very tight from here. वो यहाँ से थोड़ा सा you know वेस्ट पे भी बहुत टाइट होता था तो थोड़ा सा उलझन हो सकती थी उसे पहनने में. But this one is so comfortable. I mean it is not so body hugging as well. तो ये बिल्कुल ही you know पेटिकोट के मटेरियल पे है but it has elastic and not that वो बांधने वाला. So it is going to be very comfortable and इसमें easily साड़ी टक इन भी हो जाएगी. साड़ी के हिसाब से भी कलर ले सकते हो. For example you are wearing a purple साड़ी तो इसमें पर्पल कलर भी था. But if you want you can buy a nude one also. Black मैंने इसलिए लिया क्योंकि dark या फिर black साड़ीज अगर मैं पहनूंगी तो उसमें भी ये काम आएगा. Now the last thing that I got is a high waist pair of panties. Now I bought this specially because I wear a lot of dresses and उनके नीचे you know this provides a better shape to my waist. इसीलिए मैंने ये high waist मंगाया है. It has a thick band right over here जो कि you know cinch करने में help कर रहा है and it gives you a better shape. तो इसीलिए I got this one and this one is from a brand called Red Rose. I think again the material, I think Zivame में सबका material is so soft. I think this is my first Zivame haul ever and I am really impressed with everything that I got in this. इसका size that I got is again medium. 600 या something का मुझे ये पड़ा था but again SOS sale चालू है आज से, so you guys can you know get it at a better price. Of course everything that you want to buy from this haul you can get it at a better price and if you use my coupon code that is mentioned right over here, that is Madhulika Zivame, if you use that you will get an extra 10% off as well. So I think that's a great deal. I would say night suit तो बिल्कुल आँख बंद करके ले सकते हो. It is that comfortable and it looks really nice. I think it looks really cool. बिल्कुल मुझे मन कर रहा है कि मैं किसी बीच वेकेशन पे चले जाऊँ इसको पहन के. I am currently obsessed with the night suit and that is my favorite out of this haul. But then again if you want your hands on a good piece of lingerie then you know these are very good and comfortable as well and this one fits me very well. मुझे online मंगाने में थोड़ा सा हिचकिचाहट होती है कभी कभी because you know sizing का issue होता है but this में मैंने जो size select किया था I am very surprised, happily surprised कि बिल्कुल perfect fitting का है. So yeah, that's it for the video guys. If you want to get your hands on some amazing Zivame products, now is the time. 8th June start हो रही है Zivame sale, so you can definitely go ahead and buy it. You can get 60% off on your favorite products plus मेरा coupon code use करके you can get an extra off. As I told you before, exchange policy है, return policy है, cash on delivery है, so amazing options है आपके लिए. You can just go ahead and buy it and see you next time guys. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.